Hi, my name's Alex Devenport. I'm the sales director here at Point Blank Properties. I just wanted to take a moment of your time to run through listings. So we firmly believe here at Point Blank Properties that the agent, not the company, are the ones that are going to rent or sell the property for you. So when it comes to choosing not only the company, ensure that you are working with brokers that you trust and believe that they can get the job done for you. In regards to listing properties exclusively, there's several reasons why this will work in your benefit and not against you. Number one, the real estate market in Dubai especially is full of opinions. Those opinions derive from multiple different agents. So it gives you one mouthpiece that's going to be giving you the correct information based upon the specialization of that broker. More importantly, when you're coming to actually listing the property, a lot of agents will contact you specifically saying they have a client when really all they're trying to do is list your property online through the portals. An exclusive broker can be that guy in the middle, that rather than you having to deal with multiple people that are maybe trying to pull the wool over your eyes, they can qualify not only clients on your behalf, they can also qualify the brokers themselves to ensure that you're getting actual offers and clients and not just people trying to push for a listing.